Welcome back. Today, we're unlocking the power of Rsync, the secret weapon every system administrator needs. Let's dive in. What is Rsync? Rsync stands for Remote Sync. It's a powerful tool for efficiently synchronizing files and directories between two locations, whether locally or over a network. Basic Rsync command. Let's start with a basic Rsync command to copy files from one directory to another. A stands for archive mode, preserving permissions and other attributes, while V stands for verbose, showing the progress of the transfer. Key Rsync options. Rsync offers a range of options to customize your file transfers. Here are some key ones. Recursively copy directories. Z. Compress file data during the transfer. Delete. Delete files in the destination that are not in the source. Exclude. Exclude files or directories from the transfer. Practical example with Rsync options. Here's a practical example using multiple Rsync options to back up your home directory while excluding certain files and compressing the data. This command will sync the home directory to the backup location, compress the data, exclude temporary files, and delete any files in the backup location that no longer exist in the source. Scheduling backups with Cron. You can automate your Rsync backups using Cron jobs. Let's add a Cron job to run our backup script every day at midnight. Add the following line to the Cron tab file. Conclusion. Rsync offers a cost-effective and efficient solution for backing up your Linux system. By transferring only changed data, it minimizes network traffic and storage requirements. Combined with its ability to compress data on the fly, Rsync provides a powerful yet economical approach to data protection. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more sysadmin tips. Thanks for watching.